Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on Fitbit. You click on settings. Here on this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Fitbit. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget